Another couple, a husband and wife from Quebec, have also been each other's support systems during a health crisis. They were passengers on board the Diamond Princess, the cruise ship that became a hotspot for COVID-19. They both tested positive and ended up in different Japanese hospitals. And as Mike Armstrong reports, they're anxious for their unexpected stay in that country to come to an end.
As vacation photos go, Manon Trudel and Julien Bergeron have been collecting some odd ones. Most over the last couple of weeks have involved Japanese healthcare workers in masks. But then came these ones Tuesday. Bergeron in his hospital room, his wife outside. It was the first time they'd seen each other in more than a week.
À peu près 10 jours.
It was about 10 days, Trudel says. It was so long. They spent all day Tuesday speaking to each other over cell phones through the window. Now, when the couple got off the Diamond Princess, Bergeron had already tested positive for COVID-19. Trudel had not, but she wasn't leaving her husband behind in Japan, sick. They were taken to a hospital in the city of Toyota, about 260 kilometers west of Tokyo. That's when the strange photographs started and the situation got worse. A few days later, Trudel tested positive as well. Communications in hospital are over an iPad translation app, and it's been difficult. Trudel's limited English, translated to Japanese and back, didn't always work. She didn't mean to ask, for example, "Is my husband from my hometown expensive?" Another complication was that the app doesn't include the term coronavirus. Trudel says when she asked if she had the coronavirus, it was translated as, "Do I have cocaine?" She says everyone laughed. That wasn't her question. Trudel has now tested negative for COVID-19 twice. She's free and living in a hotel, but Bergeron's recovery has been slowed by pneumonia in both lungs. The cruise ship company is picking up their bills for now, and they still don't know when this trip might end. Trudel says they missed a family member's funeral last week, they'll miss a friend's funeral next week, and at the end of the month, they have a new grandchild expected. They'd very much like to be home for that. Mike Armstrong, Global News, Montreal.